At a time when the country is demanding better laws to deal with crime against women and safety for women across the nation, comes this shocker from Gonda, Uttar Pradesh. A judge has been accused of molesting a 13-year-old in his chambers at a court in the Gonda district. Lawyers there have protested against this. Now, the teenager's family has filed a police complaint alleging that on Monday the judge made the child undress and touched her inappropriately, claiming that he was trying to determine whether she is a minor. Another woman, who's 21, says that the judge molested her as well in his chamber on the same day, but it's unclear why she did not report him to the police. Both the alleged victims were testifying to the judge in cases of kidnapping. The police say that to register a case against the judge, they need a permission from the Allahabad High Court, which is awaited. But the High Court sources say that there's no bar on an FIR against a magistrate. Lawyers boycotted the court in Gonda, even vandalizing the judge's chambers, demanding his arrest. The Allahabad High Court has asked the district judge of Gonda to submit a report on the incident.
In this particular case, we have received a report from the Superintendent of Police Gonda, but we are in touch with. He has informed the district judge for the appropriate action. We are in touch with the Registrar General, and then only I will be in a position to say about this particular case. I cannot say anything much about this case unless we get the clearance from Honorable High Court about this. We need permission from Honorable High Court.
Serious charges of molestation have been leveled against a judicial officer from the Gonda district of Uttar Pradesh. Charges have been leveled against him by a minor, a teenager and a 21-year-old woman, that he actually molested them in his chambers in the court premises. With me is Mr. Navneet Rana, who is the SP of Gonda district. Sir, what action have you taken so far against this particular gentleman who is an additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, and what all investigations are you planning to do?
As it came in my knowledge that the allegations are serious and it has happened inside the court premises, I went to the district judge Gonda, honorable judge, and I have informed him properly and in writing also. Now we are waiting if the honorable district judge, he asked me to register a case, then it will be registered. Or if the honorable court decides they are going in for inquiry, then we will help it.
So why no FIR so far? Everybody is asking this question.
Actually, in case of the judicial officers, we do not register a case on our own. We have to seek permission. If we are given orders, we will register it.
Well, let's go across to Anand, who joins us from Gonda. Anand, this is such a shocking case. A 13-year-old girl molested in the judge's chamber as he was trying to actually tell if she was a minor or not. Still no action against the judge. What is the latest you can give us?
Well, the latest on this particular case is that, Gargi, they are still awaiting some kind of a go-ahead from the district judge. He is expected to submit a report to the administrative judge of the Allahabad High Court. That was something that was asked for by Justice Sudhir Agarwal, who is the administrative judge from the district judge. And that's the reason that the police is citing right now for not really proceeding with an FIR in this case. Now, they have already spoken to both the girls, and both the girls have reiterated to the police as to what really happened to them inside the judge's chambers. One of them actually accusing the judge of making her undress and touching her inappropriately inside the chambers when the girl had actually gone there to record her evidence in the Section 164 statement that is supposed to be given. There was a case of kidnapping of that particular girl, which is why she was summoned by the judge for this particular statement. Now, the police essentially are not very clear about the law. They are citing a Supreme Court ruling which says that since the incident took place inside the court premises, which is why they need a sanction from the district judge to actually proceed with an FIR or with an inquiry, whatever the judge will recommend. And however, when we asked Justice Sudhir Agarwal, who is the administrative judge, he said that there is no such legal requirement for the police to actually seek any sort of a consent or a permission or a sanction from the administrative judge or even the district judge to proceed with an FIR. So there is a certain amount of ambiguity about where the law stands on that particular case, because the police is citing one thing and the administrative judge who we spoke to says there is no such legal requirement.
India's #1 news app just got even better. Download NDTV's new app. Fully optimized for retina display. Full screen view. Faster response time. And Sudoku. NDTV's new iPad app. Download now.